Hello and welcome LEGO fans. I'm very excited to what I actually got in the mail today. So let's ready for the LEGO Jurassic Park. Time for us to go on an expedition. Here it is, the LEGO Jurassic Park Back to the Past, the 25th anniversary collector's edition. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't say collector's edition, it says Jurassic World. But this brings me to one of my favorite movies of all times, the fourth Jurassic Park movie. The fourth Jurassic Park movie featured exactly this scene. And in this scene, there was the Velociraptor trying to break in, and we have all the classic minifigures here as well. This is a grand, beautiful set. So this set number is 75932. 360 pieces are included. Jurassic Park Velociraptor Chase is its name. Comes with the Velociraptor right inside, and then we're gonna go open this set up, build it up, review all the minifigures and pieces. The great thing about this set is it comes not only with a special edition dinosaur in here, it also comes with the lab, and it comes with 4 awesome minifigures, and they remind me of the old set. So we have the male over there that was in the movie with the female and the 2 kids. The great thing about this set, it even has all the scenes from the first set itself. So this is really back to the past. This is not just for kids, this is for adults, grown-ups, and collectors as well. It is pretty well made, and judging by the package, look how big this package is. There's a lot of building materials here. 360 pieces, but it feels heavy and substantial, unlike some other sets where you get huge box and those very little Legos. We're gonna go in here and explore it. Now, if you like this video and you like my channel, make sure you subscribe to it. Lots of other videos coming up soon as well. Also how to make money with Legos too. Let me give you a tip. Since we are on the topic of how to make money with Legos, a set such as this one, well, there's 2 ways to make money with it. One, if you get your hands first on the block, you can post it up for sale, post it up international shipping, and if somebody doesn't have it yet in their country, they will probably pay a lot more to get it. This only works for the first 2 weeks or so of the set release. Of course, after that, next thing you can do is to sell it by specific pieces. Unfortunately, this set is not going to give you that much money here. It going for only 40 bucks. You have 4 minifigures. None of them is really that of a special edition minifigure. So the minifigures are probably not going to go too high, no more than like 7 bucks each one of them. And then we have the dino, which is around probably 15 bucks or so. So all combined, maybe all the minifigures with the dino could be sold separately, and then you can sell just the enclosure itself as well. So maybe you'll be able to make a little bit more money selling by pieces instead of the whole. And even better thing for you to do is to try to sell individual small pieces. There is a fawn right here, red fawn. There is the lab over here. You can sell like individual things out of the whole entire set. Sometimes you can make a humongous amount of profit using that too. Plus, there's going to be a class right down below where you can learn about Legovesting, how I was able to amass humongous collection of Legos using and doing this method that I described here. Plus, other great tips and which sets to collect. Talking about collector sets, this is definitely a collector set. If you're going to be collecting this set, number 1 rule, never open this set. Once you open the set, the value of it drops. So let's say 10 years from now, you decide to sell it for Jurassic Park Part 6 or 7 or whatever it's going to come out. And when a new movie is coming out, those sets, of course, increase in value. This set right now is 40 bucks. Guess what's going to happen when the next movie is going to come out and somebody wants to grab a hold of this specific set? It's going to probably cost them 80. They're no longer going to be being made. And with any Lego set, your potential to double, triple, quadruple on your investment is better than any stock almost in the stock market. With stock market, stocks go up, stocks go down, anything can happen with the stocks. In fact, any stock can go to zero. Now, with Legos, they only go up. That's it. And especially with collector set. Certain sets, and this is why my class is all about, certain sets don't go up in value how they should. With that in mind, let's get started with taking apart this set, start building it up, and reviewing the entire set from scratch. Welcome to Jurassic Park. It is time for us to go and explore this whole box. First thing you have to do is, of course, open it up. There we go. The unboxing part is the funnest part. Don't know what to expect inside those. Opening it up. Ooh, this is a big box. Let's see what is inside. So we got booklet 1, booklet 2. Those are pretty thick books. We got the Dino, and here fresh and brand new. We got the dreaded stickers, not too many, which is good, but just enough to annoy somebody. And we have the bags. Bag number 3, bag number 1, bag number 2. Start with bag number 1. See what is inside this bag. Okay. More pieces. So here it is, the review of the much anticipated Lego Jurassic World set. So that is the bird's eye view of it, otherwise known as a God view. And you can see how it actually looks like from the top. So what it has in here is the laboratory over here, and that's the inside the laboratory. Then you go into another scene where you actually have the whole power station in here. This is the outside of the actual Jurassic Park. So if you were to actually get in here, you would see this inside, and you would see the power station right outside of it, right here, the window right there where you can see everything outside, and the actual door that opens and closes. Now, one thing about this is that you can lock the door up using this hinge mechanism right here, and you can close it up so nobody can get in. The cool thing about this set is that you get this step right here. You get the guy sitting in the control station with 2 computers, and I refuse to put stickers over here. And right here is another window. Plus, there is the kitchen from the kitchen scene over here. So you get the storage cabinet. You get 2 things right there. Some utensils and things like that, 2 more utensils, and a knife right here, chopping knife. That's an unusual thing just for this set probably. I do like this part right here where you have the security camera and you're supposed to see it right there. Now, this is a very cool engineered part, and everything else in here looks really nice. There's a few things I have a beef with this set, of course. One thing is, I do like the play area, and you can take this out, just like that. Potentially you can just go and put this all inside right here, but it doesn't snap into place, unfortunately. course, the same thing could be done right here as well. So you can just put this together if you actually want to, right there. You can also snap this out also right here. So now you get a different scene that you can play in case you actually want to. So here's the kitchen scene right now, and the power station right here, and the conveyor belt right there, if you ever seen the Jurassic Park movie. And over here you have the whole part of the laboratory. Now one thing you could do is actually get two of those sets, and you can potentially put two of them together and create one very nice looking laboratory from Jurassic Park set. You also get the ladder in case somebody doesn't want to use the staircase or the door. Well, you can put the ladder right there and he can just walk up and down right in here. Although he could just walk this way if he wanted to. You do get a few dreaded stickers right here. Pretty good looking stickers, but you know, after a while, the test of time, those things are gonna get stick and they're gonna stay on whatever parts you put them on forever. That's the good thing. The bad thing is if you wanted to get them out, they would actually become part of the Lego piece, and this is not something you want to actually have. It's such a pain to get rid of them after a while. I don't know how long it takes them to eventually become permanent part of the Lego piece. I mean, it's not really permanent, it's semi-permanent, it's very hard to get them out. Therefore, I just refuse to put any stickers on it because of that. Now, you do get two dinos. Actually, let me be clear, you only get one dino. This one right here. But I do have two of them, just to show you the difference between the previous Jurassic Park one and the new one. So this is the new one, the new pattern that comes across. This is the older one that came from the previous set. There is not much difference between them. Still the same floppy tail, and it is a rubbery tail. Everything else is plastic. The hands, also everything else plastic. The only difference is, well, this guy got the black nails right here. This guy got the white nails. Pretty much the same exact mold is used to create both of them. You also get a bunch of minifigures and extra pieces as well. So those are all the extra pieces that were left from the set after I built it. Now let's review the minifigures that come with this set. Oops. So there we go, we have all those figures that come with this set right here. Zoom in more a little bit so you can see them, more details. And you can see the guy right here from the first Jurassic Park, and that's his junior version. The woman from the first Jurassic Park, and that's her junior version as well. And they have double-sided faces to some of them. Not this guy right here. This guy does have the double-sided face to him. The woman also has one as well. And the girl, same thing. Only one who is not getting it is the guy, because he has this hat on. He has a very nice futuristic weapon. This guy comes with a hot dog. She does come with a cooking utensil. You also get an extra piece of hot dog as well. You get a hairpiece for this guy, which is kind of cool. And you get another stud shooter for him too. But the silver edition is kind of cool. You also get a lot of different kind of utensils and pieces in this set, including the butcher knife right here, which is really unusual. You can't get it anywhere else. You're also getting a little bit interesting pieces here too. An umbrella, which I haven't seen before. This is a very nice piece, by the way. Usually you get it in a different color. Classic walkie-talkie. and pretty much a few other small and unusual pieces, like this one right here. So overall, this is a pretty good set. You get a lot of Legos for what you're paying for, and you're getting a lot of play value plus very nice minifigures for you to collect and a dinosaur. Unfortunately, this set could have been so much better if they actually combined it into a bigger set instead. But I would buy it anyways because you get a very nice, 4 very unusual and very beautiful looking minifigures. You get a lot of parts, pieces, and you also get this really cool looking door that is actually very handmade too, and this interesting looking mechanism to open it and close. Other than that, I think if you can just get the minifigures, it would still be a very good set for that. The Power Laboratory is really beautiful. I would rate this set in terms of play value. This is a 10. Pieces would be like a 9. Actual value of what you're getting in this set would be like a 7 because this set could have been so much better. And the minifigures, I would rate them around 9 to 10 because you're also getting the dinosaur as well. Thank you so much for watching this channel. In case you and if you really like it and you have any questions or comments, post them below and I will gladly answer them. Please subscribe to this channel, put your post notifications on so you never miss another video, and see you in the next video. See you in the next video.